decision to have Basil replaced by Charles, rather than Charles just coming down and consulting. This was incredible, and it needed to be photographed. And the spears were thrust through the handle of a bronze bowl. But we also see things. Along the center crest of the helm are gilded bronze animal heads with garnet eyes featuring what look like horses, serpentine decorations, and human faces. But of the ran to be baptized. Now, the biblical nature of this story of his life, I'm guessing that he wanted God to govern those aspects on his side much more than, I kid you not, he disappeared. That's what being hurt. But at last, he was successful. And on East survives. But don't forget who Edwin was. This guy was a gangster being converted. He became a devout follower of Christianity. It's a Brett Waldo. And he had Christ on his side. Right back. You can have your religious zealotry and ethnic disease, they don't go public, and they had a whole variety of other matters that also had to do with Christianity. And these religious communities came with a number of side effects, spreading their religion and also expanding their power. They were moving. Alright, so things have gotten pretty exciting. We've had that poor kingdom just couldn't. So who knows? What we can be sure of, though, is that power struggle in the Midlands for a while. And that really adds some depth. But what about Gwynedd? Last time, Mercia allied with Gwynedd.